Here at Fully Charged, we recognise the importance of assisting our network of riders with the very best in aftercare, customer service and ongoing maintenance from our knowledgeable and experienced team of eBike experts. Conveniently located in the arches under London Bridge Station, our 10,000 square foot service centre has a growing number of full-time specialist e-bike mechanics, trained and accredited by the likes of Bosch, Cytec, GoCycle, Super 73 and Vintage Electric. Once you have made your decision and purchased your e-bike, our technicians will carefully unbox and assemble the bike, setting it up to your specification. The e-bike undergoes what we refer to as a pre-delivery inspection, or PDI, to ensure that no bolt or nut is left unchecked and that the bike will perform as the manufacturer intended. Bikes are always test-ridden to confirm completeness before being carefully wrapped and boxed into a specially designed, fully charged, branded box, ensuring safe transport to your door. All customers at Fully Charged are given a choice between standard delivery, premium delivery, or our fully charged bespoke delivery service. For standard delivery, your new e-bike will arrive boxed and 95% assembled by ourselves. All you have to do is fit the pedals, straighten the handlebars, and tighten. For premium delivery, your bike will arrive fully built and ready to ride. For our bespoke delivery service, one of our e-bike experts will arrive with your e-bike to your door and give you a personal handover, including a full rundown of the e-bike and its features, answering any questions you may have in person and ensuring that your first experience is the very best possible. All of our e-bikes are covered by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. For many retailers, making the sale is job done, but we here at Fully Charged truly believe that the delivery of your e-bike is only the beginning of our relationship.